Hey folks, so today I wanted to give you a quick look at how to create your own two-part melodic dictation exercises in Auralia. So we're currently in the library, and here you can search for SATB, and that will give you a list of a whole range of extracts, some of them drawing from repertoire, bar chorales, to our chord progressions, notation files. You can see there's lots of great content in there. Now let's have a look at this bar chorale extract for bars. And you can see that these notation files have each of the SATB voices split across their own parts. So to create our question, I just come across here and select the plus icon. Give it a name. Enter the instructions for the student, and then we'll select our notation. So here, once again, let's search for SATB, and we will choose that same extract from the bar chorale. Now this dialog opens automatically, and here we can choose what is going to be visible and hidden in the drill. So we're going to leave our soprano part as visible and make it editable. And we will provide the student with the first note and hide all the other notes. And I'll hide the alto part and the tenor parts, as well as the chord symbols. And we'll do the same thing for the bass part, provide the first note and hide all the other parts. The other thing that we'll do here is to just restrict the student to only adding single notes, so they can't add chords in this particular question. We'll close out of this dialog, and I'll just set our starting pitch and counting. So we'll just have a 1 bar counting, and select an F major chord for our starting pitch reference. Okay, let's just have a quick look here to check that the desired parts are set up for playback, and you can see that they are. And we're going to choose for these parts to be played back using a piano sound. Finally, for our assessment, we'll just check here that we're assessing against the correct parts of the notation, but this should all be set up automatically. So you can see we're assessing against the soprano part and the bass part. Let's now preview our question. Student can submit their answer, and then of course compare their answer against the correct answer. Once you've created one of these questions, it's really easy to replicate the question and then edit it to use any of the other voices that are available. I'll just double click here to open this question up. And this time I'm still using the same excerpt, but I'll turn on the alto part and turn the bass part off. And then under the playback section, I will just check that my alto part will play back and my bass part won't. So obviously you can mix and match any of these 4 parts to create a bunch of different questions. So you can of course integrate any of these questions into your own tests, worksheets or syllabi. And you can also create or import your own notation to use as the basis for these types of questions. Hope that helps. Please let us know if you have any questions or any requests for other content or feature tutorials. Thanks for watching.